Mercedes-Benz.
Hi, I'm Dr. Samir Arbat. I'm an interventional pulmonologist from Nagpur. I've been leading the COVID-19 team for the past 8 months and have treated more than 1,000 patients of COVID and post-COVID. The COVID-19 pandemic has opened our eyes towards the importance of health and hygiene. The second wave of COVID-19 has been more disastrous than the first wave, and we personally have experienced that all the age groups, including young and elderly, are equally susceptible to the COVID-19 pandemic. It has made us realize the importance of following good health habits as well as following good hygiene. When it comes to the safety precautions related to COVID-19, we need to follow our basic principles of A. Wearing a mask regularly, B. Following physical distancing, and C. Regular hand wash with hand sanitization. It is important that you avoid any kind of crowded places and make sure that your loved ones and dear ones are safe from COVID-19. With the opening of the restrictions, we might get a bit relaxed, but it is all the more important that we follow all these basic precautions and stop any spread of COVID-19. So the most common question amongst everybody's mind is, which is the best vaccine? So all the experts agree to one fact, that the best vaccine is the vaccine which is taken, which means that no matter which vaccine you go for, you have to take a vaccine irrespective of the brand or name of the vaccine. All the vaccines are equally good and will be helpful in saving your life in future. Although we have been successful in fighting the second wave of COVID-19, we still have a very long way to go. People who've suffered from COVID will be facing a lot of complications related to the lungs, to the heart and even the brain. It is important that we follow all safety precautions to avoid any further spread of this disease. I would like to thank Central Star Mercedes-Benz for taking this initiative of educating people about the importance of safety precautions of COVID-19, which might be helpful for preventing further spread of this disease.
Mercedes-Benz.